A big bucket? Good job. Okay, Meadow. You see all that dead leaves? Let's put it in the bucket, okay? So we can clean up on the rhubarb.
These are dead leaves.
Yeah, let's put them all in there, okay? Yeah, just be careful. And look, Meadow, look. Look, do you know what that is? That's rhubarb. Do you see that? That's a little leaf. You see how scrunched up it is? It's going to get really big. It's going to get as big as your head.
Can I see your picture?
I don't have a picture. You're going to have to watch it grow. Okay? But first, what we need to do is we need to clean this up. Because you see, come here, look, there's all this new growth coming. See that?
More rhubarb.
More rhubarb. So what we're gonna do is just remove, some of this dead leaves, tidy it up, and we're going to do that for this whole patch. You can see the rhubarb coming. Do you see it over there?
Yep. That one's really growing.
Is it really growing? Really growing?
Yep.
Yep.
No rhubarb there.
Yeah, no rhubarb there. Okay. All right, Mom's got Foxy here. Say hi, Foxy.
Hey, Foxy. Mom, you know which one's really growing?
Which one? Do you see any over there?
No.
Right there. Right in the middle there, Meadow. You see it? Yeah.
Growing.
Pardon me?
You know which one's really growing?
Which one? Yeah.
I love yellow growing.
Meadow, do you remember what this is called?
Horseradish.
Yeah, horseradish. Can you help pull? We're going to clean this horseradish up, okay? Yeah, just pull it. Pull.
Can I put it on
Yeah.
horseradish on Foxy?
Yeah, don't put it on Foxy. Put it in the bucket. Good job. Okay, let's pull some more. Let's pull some more. Yeah. Look at that. We got some more here.
Yeah. It just goes in that much.
Look at Foxy. You got dirt all over him. Hey, Foxy. Okay, are you ready to get some more? Okay, come on. We got to clean up this horseradish. All this dead.
Horseradish growing.
Yeah, this is horseradish growing. And did you know that the tender leaves, you can eat them right now. They're really tender. They're a little bit peppery, but they're not hot yet. They're really good. They taste really good.
I like salt. Do they have salt on them?
No, they don't have salt on them.
Just pepper.
No, yeah, they just got a peppery flavor to them. They're actually really nice. But we're gonna free it from all these leaves, but these leaves helped it over to winter to survive. Did you know that? That's why I don't cut it all off, because over winter it needs that protection. It helps, especially if we don't get as much snow. But this year we had a lot of snow, didn't we? Yeah? Did you make lots of snowmen?
Yes.
Yeah? Was it fun?
Your tulips are growing.
Yes, my tulips are growing. Shall we show them our tulips? Okay, let's do that right away. Come on, just help Mama out for a second. We're just gonna pull.
Can you not do this side?
Do you want Mommy to do the spiky ones?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, we'll just see. Look at all this green. It's all coming back. All coming back from the winter. Okay, we'll get this side and then we'll go look at the tulips, okay? You're gonna wait at the tulips? Okay, you give Mommy a second. Oh wait. What color do you think the tulips are gonna be? Yellow?
Yellow.
Pardon me? Yeah, there could be some yellow. Oh, I think that's a full bucket.
Yep, yep.
I don't even think it's gonna fit all in there. Hey, Foxy, you're still there, aren't you? You guarding my horseradish leaves? Look at that. That looks much better. That looks much better. Oh, yeah, I'll be right there, Meadow. Okay. Okay. Show them the tulips. Look at that. Do you see more tulips?
Go down.
Look at Meadow. Look at right there. Right over there. You see it?
Yeah.
Right there? Look at that. Tulips coming all over the place.
A tulip,
Yeah.
tulips all over the
All over the place.
Oh.
Yeah, we planted them all over and they're actually coming back really good this year. Yeah? Oh, you know what those are? Do they look like tulips?
No.
No. Do you remember what they are? No, they're not horseradish. They're daffodils. Yeah, those are
Yum,
daffodils.
I like daffodils.
No, we don't eat the daffodils. Those are the big yellow flowers that are coming.
Mom,
That's
another
yeah,
tulip.
those are tulips. Yeah.
Come on, here.
Yeah. And what is there? Oh, you know what these are?
What?
Do you remember what these are?
Hi.
Yeah, we got to clean this up too. Because look, the chives are starting to green up. Yes, Foxy.
Yes, Foxy.
Foxy is following us all over, isn't he?
Yeah.
Yeah. And look at those are chives. It's raining.
I better put my hat on.
Yeah, go get your hat. It just started raining. Go, go, go. Before my camera gets wet. Look at the new growth. I love having Meadow with me. It's so exciting to teach her. It's awesome. Okay, yeah, my camera's getting wet here. So let's say bye to everyone. Can we say bye? Bye, and thank you so much for watching. Definitely check out our website at everything-homemade.com. We have a blog there. Definitely check it out and see what we have as you can learn what we're doing in the garden. What, Meadow? Yeah, you know what those are? Chamomile. Anyway, check out our blog like I was saying. Follow us, as we garden, the critters on the homestead. There's a food blog, what we're doing in the kitchen, and a little bit about our family here too. So thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.